In this video, I'm going to show you how to make an account on Axiom Pro Trade. So first off, there's a link down below in the description as well as in the pinned comment, and if you sign up using my link, you will get a 10% discount on all trading fees forever, so make sure you check that out. And after you use that link to come to their website, what you want to do is click Start Trading over here, and then you will have to enter in your email and your referral code. So if you want the benefits of 10% discount on trading fees, you want to use the invite code, which is mine and is IHD. So simply type that in, enter in your email, and click sign up. Now, once you do this, of course, you can also continue with Google or Phantom if you want to, and just like this, you'll be able to create an account on Axiom Pro. Now, since I have an account already, I'm gonna show you how this looks like. Let me just sign in really quickly. There, oh, it says I have to log in, of course. Now I'm gonna log in, so I show you how this actually looks like. And there we go, I'm now logged in. So this is basically Axiom Pro. As you can see, it looks quite clean. It has a lot of different features. I also have a how to use tutorial on my YouTube channel. You can check that out if you want a detailed tutorial. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.